You know how good it feels to be referred a deal. My question to you is, how many deals were given to you last month by realtors? We're StreetText, and we help mortgage brokers make more money by co-marketing with realtors. Let's take a look at Bob. Bob has been in the business for 3 years. However, Bob is having a really hard time growing his business, past his current marketing efforts. He relies heavily on refinances and referrals from his current clients, and he never knows where his next deal is coming from, and he wishes he had a better plan to grow his business. He knows that the biggest mortgage brokers have good realtor relationships, but how? He has nothing to offer, and he feels like he is always begging for a deal. Well, luckily for Bob, we are here to help. In just a few simple steps, Bob quickly added $18,000 additional monthly income by working with realtors. And I would like to show you what he did. Oh, and the $18,000 is only based on him converting 2.5% of his leads and only being referred deals from 4 of his realtors. Let's take a look at what he did. First, he realized that buyers will forever be interested in listings, and he has none. The realtors have all of them. And he also realized that 70% of buyers will work with the first realtor and mortgage broker that they meet. So he needed to get closer to the listing. Bob signed up for StreetText, which allows realtors to market their listings 24/7 to anyone with a phone. Using StreetText, Bob was able to co-market with realtors on their very own listings. He was able to make the agent's listings available to anyone walking or driving by. StreetText also helps realtors collect more qualified leads from the newspaper and magazines, and it even helps realtors win more listings by adding StreetText to their listing presentation. And every time a buyer requests information on a listing, they see Bob as the mortgage specialist associated with the property, and he is able to work together with the realtor to help the buyer find a property and secure a mortgage. But what got Bob really excited is he was able to offer this for 10 realtors, and those realtors all had 10 listings. So after he had partnered with the realtors, he had over 100 listings working directly for him, each listing bringing in leads every month. Not only was he bombarded with more leads per month than he had had the entire year before, but thanks to StreetText, he built solid relationships with realtors who are now referring him their other business as well. Bob can hardly believe it. If he had understood what partnering with realtors would do for his business, he would have done it years ago. Now Bob gets to spend more time doing what he does best, putting together mortgages, hiring assistants to streamline the process, and having more time to spend with his family. Click sign up now, and we will give you everything Bob needed to set up his agents. Don't wait until next month to start growing your business.